Hey, good evening. Well, today we're gonna learn how to create firewall, and we're gonna use pfSense as an open source. We're gonna set it up on our VM machine, and it's just easy steps to do. So the objective of this video is to set up an environment with a router and practice virtual machine configuration. That's what we're gonna focus for, machine configuration. Create a firewall, open source pfSense. What I'm gonna do as a first step, I'm gonna browse and I'm gonna look for pfSense, which is make sense. And I go to my download here, right? This is the latest version. I'm gonna go to AMD 64-bit, the installer. I'm gonna go to DVD and I press download, save file, and okay. I'm not gonna do that because I already done that already. What I'm gonna click to my tools, new, put the name here, pfSense, and I go to my BSD, okay, and I'm gonna go to FreeBSD 64, the second one, and make sure this is the orange one, and I press next. Memory size, the recommended memory size is 1024, is by default anyway. Press next. Create virtual hard disk now. Press next. Next. Dynamically allocated. Press next. I have 16, which is recommended. I leave it as it is, and I press next. Here, I go to my settings, okay, and I go to network. Come here. I check for bridge adapter. Then I go to adapter number 2. I check enable network adapter. And I go to internet network. I go to advanced. Allow all VMs. And I come here. It must be. I think, let me. Volan Corp. Network. If you ask me why, I tell you that's what I learned on my class. I gotta put this name. Press OK. Then I come here, I double click, pfSense. Let's see. I like green tea. I'm a big fan of green tea. All right. I press on little icon here. Add. I look for pfSense that I did download. I press open. I gotta extract it. pfSense. Come on, choose. And then I start. There we go. Now we have some settings that we have to do. And we start from there. Copyright, blah, blah, blah. Enter, accept. Welcome to pfSense, install pfSense. Okay, I'm in. Continue with default key map, select. And how would you like to partition your desk? I'm gonna go with the BIOS. Press enter. I give it a few seconds. manual configuration. The installation is now finished. Before exiting the installer, would you like to open a shell? No, I don't want that. I press no. Press reboot. And little quick, guys, go here. Maybe I gotta wait a little bit. Probably now. Yep. The time your computer start rebooting, press device, optical drives, and you go all the way down here. Remove disk from virtual drive. Otherwise, you're gonna be stuck on a loop, and your pfSense machine, it will keep rebooting and rebooting, and you're stuck there. Okay, type this one. So I'm gonna, soon you get to this step, you go to machine, okay, reset. Yes, I want to reset. Now we're gonna do some configuration. Yes, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do configuration LAN interfaces IP address, and for the one as well. So it's gonna be 2 interfaces. Starting DNS resolver, domain name server or server. Come on. Come on. Configuration firewall. Boot complete. Enter an option. They provide us from 0 to 16 option. Okay, what we're gonna do here, I want to go and set an interface IP address. So I'm gonna press, no, I don't want that. Number 2, and I press enter. Enter the number of the interface you wish to configure. I wanna configure 2 interfaces, one for the WAN and one for the LAN. Okay, enter the new LAN IPv4 address, press enter for none. Okay, I'm gonna go with 10.0.0.1. That's the easiest one you can have. I press enter. Okay. Enter the new LAN IPv4 subnet bit count from 1 to 31. I'll go with 24. Press enter. For a LAN, for a WAN, enter the new LAN IPv4 upstream gateway address. For a LAN, press enter. For none. This is, I'll leave it empty. I'm gonna press enter. Enter the new LAN IPv6. I don't like IPv6 and I don't like to deal with it, so I'm gonna press enter. Okay, do you want to enable the Dhcp server on a LAN? Yes or no? Yes or no? Oh. Yes, yeah, of course I want that. Dhcp, dynamic host configuration protocol, okay, which is assign an IP address. I press enter. Enter the start address of IPv4 client address range. So that'd be 10 dot 0 dot 0 2, and I press enter. Enter the end address of the IPv4 client address range. Let's do 20, yeah. 10.0.0.20. Press enter. Do you want to revert hypertext transfer protocol at the web configuration protocol? Yes or no? I don't want that. I put N and I press enter. Whatever happened, happened. The IPv4 LAN address has been set to 10.0.0.124. I'm good with that. Press enter to continue. I press enter. Enter an option. I want to ping. I want to check my machine. I'm gonna press 7. Okay. What I'm gonna ping. Google.com. Let's see. Google.com. Give me 100% success. Here we go. Yeah. Enter an option. Let me reping again. I'm gonna press 7. Now I do it in this way. Ping 8.8.8.8, and which is google.com. What's going on? 7? Oh, I press ping. As for the habit. That 8. Press enter. 100%. And we go. It's all set. My ping was successful. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next lab. Ugh.